Hi everyone, this is Vicky, and today I wanted to show you how to remove an image background. A lot of people pay for this type of service, but I'm going to show you how you can work on your own photos or other photos of people that you may know that may need to get the background off of a photo. So let me go ahead and show you how to do that. The website I'll be using is www.remove.bg. So when you come to this page, you're going to first click on upload an image. So I'm going to upload an image, and I found one for, let's see, I'm going to use this plug in the blanket, and I'll show you how easy it is. This is something people pay for, this type of service. You can do it on your own. Okay, see how the background's gone? This is the original photo, and there's the background that is removed from this pug. And so then you would hit download, and it's only going to be 612 by 408. If you want to do a high definition, then I think they want you to yeah, they want you to sign up, get this image for free. So sign up for free and get it for free. Let me show you how the image looks. Okay, now you also can change the way the background looks. If you want to have a background, you could, if you wanted to leave that green background there and just, you can have it blurred out some, you can do that. Or you can choose any of the other photos at the bottom, and same thing, you can blur it out by just clicking on that and checking how much of the blur that you want to use for an image, like that. Or you can go with a solid background color. You can pick your own color, do your own color with the wheel and change, or you can pick one of their pre-made colors, pre-selected colors they have right here for you, and use it like that. Or you can just click on the colors underneath and see which one that you like. And when you find one that you like, you just hit the download button, download image, and there's your image. And you can save that image. Let me show you an easy way to save this. You can open up Paint. Let me see if you can right click on it first. Okay, if you can't right click save, then you can just say open with one of your programs that you like. I usually just choose Paint, and then I would just click on and say save as, save it as a PNG, and then uh, put it somewhere where you want the file and save it. You can change the name and then just hit the save button. That way you that way you'll have the image. And that's using Paint. I use Paint a lot. Right, so let me close that again. So that is all you would do. So if you pick one of the background colors here, and you want to erase or restore, let me see if this will, okay, that's doing the opposite. I don't want to do that. So let's go back to the pug right here, and let's say you want to edit and erase and restore. Okay, so you can erase, like if something that you didn't want on there, you can just erase it like that. Or if you wanted to restore, then you want to get back to where it was, you can do that and just select restore. You just have to use the brush size right here to do that. Okay, the larger size would be a little quicker if you want to do it like that. Or if not, just open up the image again if that's what you want to do. So if you want to erase something, then you can erase it on your own. Some people may want to just make sure your brush size is what you want it to be, and you can do that. But you can fool around with it and do that for any photo that you want to work with. So that's all I have for you today. Remember, that's the original, and then when the background is removed, that's how it will look. Some photos may not come out as great as some other photos do, but you can still get some good results with this program that is free. Remove.bg. Okay, you have any questions let me know and I will answer your questions as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.